All right, Easy Rider Bike Show. Easy Rider Bike Show, January 9th and the 10th. Today's the 8th. We're setting up today. Here we are setting up our banner. Pomona, California. Here's Paul Yaffe's stuff. Some pretty cool exhausts. Here's some bikes he's built recently. Baggers. Another bagger. Hey Paul, how'd you like to say hi on my YouTube video?
Hi, YouTube video.
All right, Paul Yaffe right here.
What's up, man?
Pretty talented builder.
Yeah.
What's the new stuff lately, Paul?
There it is.
Yeah, that's a bitchin' looking bike. All right, here's the center aisle with all the bikes in it. Here's Full Throttle Saloon. Hey, Full Throttle Saloon, my YouTube video, say hi. Full Throttle Saloon, largest biker bar in the world. Here's some more bikes down the line. Bike seats for sale, leather. Huntington Hog and Chops. You want to say hi on my YouTube video? Huntington Hogs and Chops. Little free advertisement here.
Love it.
Where are you guys located?
We're on Graham Street between Edger and McFadden and Huntington Beach.
Huntington Beach.
Yeah.
How's the weather in California?
Sweet. Wouldn't want to be anywhere else.
All right, cool, man.
Thanks, buddy.
All right.
You got a 10mm I can use?
Yeah.
Do you?
Over there toward the sign. Bar Enterprises, leather goods. Here's Rock and Roll Customs, one of the largest painters in the world of custom cars and motorcycles. All right, what's the hottest selling t-shirt for Full Throttle Saloon? Let me get a close-up of that.
It's the glow, baby.
Full Throttle, yeah, that's cool looking. What do those go for?
20 bucks.
20 bucks?
20.
That's a good deal. All right. They brought a lot of t-shirts out here, all the way from Sturgis, South Dakota.
That's us.
Largest biker bar in the world. This is for the Shotgunshock YouTube channel right here, buddy. What's your name?
I hate the Mike.
Mike.
I hate vodka.
All right. Here's Big Bear Choppers. It's all right here in Pomona, California. That's a sweet looking bike. Got the machine look, huh? Polished aluminum. Oh, that's from Todds Cycle? Hey, what's going on, buddy? Shotgunshock YouTube channel here. All right. Where's your shop located?
Huntington Beach.
Huntington Beach, California. All right. The rest of the world's freezing. We got 80-degree weather today. So you got this entered in the show? All right, what class is this?
All judged.
All judged? What's the most creative thing about this bike? Everything? All hand built, Todds Cycle. Does a lot of one-off parts. Check them out, Huntington Beach, California.